Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial we're gonna look at how to ask a question in Reddit subcommunities. Now let's begin. Go to reddit.com and log into your Reddit account if you already have not. Once you're logged in, let us now look at this section, that is create a post. Simply click on this create post button. And now let's input a title. And you can put the text here such as, you can mark it as a spoiler if you wish, or an SFW. You can make it bold, italics, it's all up to you. Now I want to post this to a community. These are the communities I'm in right now, and you can also post it to your own profile if you wish to. Right now I'm gonna post it to Greg Public. Simply click on the community and hit post. Now in the Reddit sub-community, you have asked your question via your post. And that's how you do it, guys. That is how you ask a question in Reddit. You can do the same for other communities or your own profile. The process is the same. And guys, that's it for the video. This is how you ask a question in Reddit. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.